you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a hair review of the company Ali UNice hair. Right now I'm just showing you guys how the hair look like. The only thing I did to this hair was bleach it. The curl pattern, as you guys are seeing right now, this is how it originally came. So yeah. But right now I'm just about to pluck it a little bit more because the front is a little bit thick. It's supposed to be, I think it's supposed to be pre-plucked already, but I'm gonna just go over it a little bit more. I do have a plucking video on my channel. I'll link it down below if you guys want to watch it, but I'm just speeding through it because I already have a video on it, like a very detailed video. So if you guys want to watch that, go ahead. And right now I'm just basically done, and I'm just using the hot comb to flatten up the hair so it could be flat when I'm trying to install it. Alright, so I already have on the ball cap method. All the items that I do use will be in the description bar down below in order that I'm doing it in. Right now I'm just using the powder foundation inside my wig so it can match with my skin tone as best as possible. And I also cleaned up around my perimeters with the 91% alcohol. Now right now I know you guys see that I'm struggling. The wig was smaller than I thought, or probably my head is too big, but I never had this problem before where, well, I did once, but the wig was basically too freaking small. Like, I would pull it on one side and then the other side will just go a little further up. And so right now I'm just going to show you guys how that I managed to still put it on even with the wig being too small. I'm just cutting off the ear tabs so it could be easier for me to manage. And yeah, I look mad confused, like why the hell is this shit not fitting? But I'm gonna later on, right now I'm just cutting it. I'm cutting it so basically so it could stretch out. I am gonna, this makes it a little more easier, as you guys can see. Like when I'm pulling it, the material of the lace does stretch, so it's good. That's how I'm basically gonna be able to put it on, by stretching it. Now right now this is the way that I apply my wigs. This is how I apply all my wigs. I do the little dot method, and I do it by sections, because I did try to do the whole thing. Yo, why I look so fucking mad? But I tried doing it in like the whole thing around the whole perimeter, and that just did not work. But right now I'm just doing the second coat. As you guys can see, it clear dried already. And you guys are going to see when I do apply it, it does turn a little bit white. But there is a way to fix that if your lace, like later on, turns white when you put it down. As y'all can see, I am putting it down. The glue wasn't exactly like, you know, like dry. It still had a little white spot, so I probably should have waited a little bit longer. So like you guys see that I'm putting the comb through it, like you see these little white specks that are coming up of it. I really don't pay no mind to those, because eventually when the glue dries 100%, you won't be able to see it. And if you do see it, you could just use your powdered foundation to cover that up. And right now I'm just doing both of my ear tabs, and it's very self-explanatory. There's a lot of YouTube videos of applying wigs, so this is just how I personally do it. All right, so remember that the wig was a little bit too small for my head. So right now I'm just pulling it. Like you can see, I'm really pulling it to this side to make sure that it still grabs my ear tabs. Now I'm just pulling the other side, As you can see, I'm gonna pull it really hard and tight. I'm sorry, guys, hard and tight. So it basically meets ear from ear tab to ear tab, so the wig don't look crazy, even though it is a little bit too small for my head. And right now I'm just using one of the eyebrow razors to cut off my lace. I find the eyebrow razor is a little more easier to use when cutting it off, other than a scissor, because it gives you that jagged look, and you don't want your lace to look like it's going straight across, which is gonna scream out like a wiggy look.
These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far
A little
away?
tip, as you can see, it is a little white around the perimeters. Before you take out your baby hairs, I would suggest you use the alcohol and take some of the whiteness out. Well, take some alcohol and rub it against those white areas, and they should take some of it out before you do put down your baby hairs. All right, so I'm just flattening it up a little bit more, and as y'all can see, I just burnt the fuck out my scalp. Like I'm looking at my scalp right now. Like I have like 3 4 little lines now. But anyways, but right now I'm just adding a little bit of the what do you call it, the gossipy spray, just to give it a little more of a hold, if that makes sense. And I like that look when you do add the spray. You don't have to do this, it's optional, but I like to personally do it.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we
All
should
right, so
have
y'all
some
don't
more
necessarily
fun.
have to do
I
the baby
still
hairs like
dream
this. I
about the
personally
days when
just
we
do it
were
like
young.
this because I don't
I'll
know.
take
I
a
guess
hit
it's
and
easier
still
for me.
finish in
But you
one.
can do it
Yeah,
by
yeah.
sections and just take little pieces out, like I've seen some people do. But I just like taking the whole thing out. Maybe I should try doing it the other way, but we'll see. But I'm not even gonna lie, I did struggle a little bit trying to put down like my baby hairs and stuff. I don't know if it's because I left too much lace on the wig on, but I was just struggling a little bit. But at the end I did like get it exactly how I wanted it. As y'all can see, she is laid. Like you cannot even see the little white areas that I was talking about earlier. But yeah, it's because the glue dried a little bit. And yeah, my baby hairs look bomb as fuck. All right, so it is the next day. I went ahead and took took a shower. Obviously, I took a shower, but I did go ahead and did my makeup and everything. If you guys are interested in this makeup look, this like quick whatever everyday type of makeup look, I am gonna be posting a video on this look. I recorded this, and it should be going up. I think probably after this video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. And this was all drugstore makeup, so make sure you guys subscribe. But this is how I wrap my hair when I do have on lace front. And it's good to have, I mean, to be honest with you guys, are supposed to have a satin, yeah, a satin scarf, but I preferably like these type of head wraps because it supports it better. So this is how I have it wrapped, and then I'll always have my bonnet in the back to hold my hair in. This is, I think this is satin or cotton. Yeah, I have makeup all over me. But anyways, but yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how my hair looks now. In the previous video, you guys did see me, like, to be honest with you guys, I was struggling with my baby hairs. Like, it was hard. But and it was a little bit white. Not like too much. Like, let me know if you guys did see that it was a little white, but to me it was a little bit white. Hold on, you guys. Yeah, it was a little white. So I don't know. But let's see how it looks now. Hopefully it doesn't look too white. Hold on. All right. Okay. Oh, it's not bad. So as you guys can see, it's not that white like it was before, and everything is more melted. I'm guessing it only did that white look because the glue wasn't dry yet. But one thing I would say is I probably should have cut off a little bit more lace. A little bit more lace, so it would have blended really well with my hair. I mean, like, even right now it looks really good, but it probably would have looked even better. Hold on, you guys, it is a little dark. Hold on. All right. Wait. All right. So it probably would have looked a little bit better if I did use less what was I saying? Yeah, I forgot. Crap. Yeah, if I basically cut off more lace. Like, right now the baby hairs look nice as hell. This hair is a 24, yeah, I think this is a 24-inch Brazilian curly lace front wig. I remember. Okay, lace front wig, and I'm pretty sure it's 180% density. And when I tell you guys, this is most definitely true to its density, because when I was combing this out, like, I know you guys can tell from my previous like clips in the video that I was struggling to, I was using the water bottle, but I was struggling to like comb out the hair. I even broke the brush, I think. Yeah, I think I broke the brush from trying to curl this out. But this is it 100% dry. Like I said, I did wet it yesterday, and I just put past the brush through it, so the curls could be more defined and everything. But these curls are so nice, and it's so thick. To be honest with you guys, it's so thick that I actually would prefer like 150. Like, you wouldn't go wrong with just 150 density, because this hair is huge. Imagine if you imagine when you comb it out, like, it's gonna be humongous. So, but right now I'm just using some of the styling foam. I honestly don't use any specific one. I heard a lot about the Nairobi, but I never see it in my beauty supply store, so I never picked it up. But I always focus on the ones that have no alcohol. The one is with the no alcohol is the one that is good for you to get, for you to use on laces and stuff. So, and I never actually put foam on it. The yeah, I don't use foam on it, because every time that I do use that method, it always end up lifting up my lace. So I personally don't use that, but as in the next day, because it does take about 24 hours or at least a few hours before you actually put in, the glue actually melts. So you won't have to worry about all that, worry about it not drying and lifting up because you use the styling foam. So that's a good little tip. But yeah, but this is, I think they told me this is one of their popular wigs. And to be honest with you, yeah, I'm here making a fucking mess. I almost dropped my water. But like I was saying, like this curl pattern is, I actually was thinking these curls are a little tight for just a curly, because this kind of remind me of a little bit like a kinky curly, but these curls are so nice. And right now this is just it dry. You will see how it looks wet, like I said in the beginning of the video, so make sure you guys watch that so you guys can see the different texture that it gives. Like I personally like wearing my hair wet and more in the bigger side of things. But when I tell you guys, I love this wig. It's so huge and full, and I do love my wigs when it's full. Story, like this is true to length, true to, let me show you guys where the length is. Hopefully I don't see nothing. Hold on, I'm gonna stretch it out for you guys. Yes, it's most definitely true to length, true to density. Like this wig is really, really nice. If you're like somewhat on a budget, but because this wig isn't really too cheap, but for a AliExpress vendor. But to be honest with you guys, the cost is kind of worth it because this is a nice ass wig. So, but yeah, back to what I was saying. But if you guys do like this video, please make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. All the information about this unit will be, yeah, this eyelashes look funny, or is it just me? It looks different than that one, whatever. But all the information of this unit will be in the description bar down below. So make sure you guys check it out. Go check out Ali UNice hair. And yeah, but and I'm pretty sure they have discount codes. I think they have a discount code somewhere down below. But if you guys have any questions, if you guys like this wig, if you guys want to compliment me, keep it comment down in the comment bar down below. Let's have a little conversation. Let me know what other videos you guys want me to you know, put out, because I am trying to be more consistent. It's really hard because I do have a lot of things going on, but I am trying to be more consistent. So make sure you guys press the subscribe button, also the push notification bell that's next to it. I'm running out of breath. Relax, Luigi. Post notification bell that's next to it, so you guys are notified every time that I do post a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.